Watch this video to the end if you want to win a trip to somewhere exotic.
If you have ever imagined living in an estate with a golf course and a man-made lake, welcome to Fairfield Apartments. This is one of my favorite apartments. Why? Because it has a golf course right inside this estate. Not only that, it also has a beautiful man-made lake. So imagine chilling with your family on a weekend or with your buddies at the golf course. So welcome to Fairfield Apartments. We have 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartment and 3-bedroom apartment, all en suites, and their prices are very reasonable, starting from the lowest, which is just 11 million naira. So welcome here. Let's go in.
Now at the entrance of the estate, you'll see that the basketball court and the table tennis, long tennis court are already being built and it's almost done. Now, one thing I really love about this estate is that you get a 12-month payment option without any interest. Can you beat that? Let's move into the apartments. So it's almost finished and I'm not going to talk much. I'm going to just tell you about the prices we have for these apartments. Now, if you want a semi-finished apartment, a single room is going to cost you 11 million naira. A 2-bedroom apartment is going to cost you 16 million naira, and a 3-bedroom apartment is going to cost you 21 million naira. If you want a fully finished apartment, 1-bedroom is going to cost you 14 million naira. 2-bedroom is going to cost you 20 million naira. 3-bedroom for 25 million naira. So hurry up and get this beautiful piece of apartment with a golf course and a man-made lake. Get it now, because tomorrow the price will go up.
Excited about the Aquava Flex promo because it's another opportunity for us to give our clients a luxurious and thrilling experience like we always do. This time, you get an all-expense-paid trip with your partner, chilling and having a relaxed time at the luxurious, state-of-the-art and renowned Kempinski Hotel, Accra, Ghana. And you qualify simply by buying any apartment unit at Fairfield Apartments Abijo, Lagos. For the semi-finished units, 1-bedroom sells at 11 million naira, 2-bedroom 16 million naira, and 3-bedroom 21 million naira only. And there is the finished apartment unit as well. 1-bedroom goes for 14 million naira, 2-bedroom 20 million naira, while the 3-bedroom type sells at 25 million naira only. And with a down payment of only 4 million naira, any of these apartments can be yours. Then you qualify for that amazing experience in Ghana. Please believe all the hype you see and hear about this promo, because it is all that and so much more. So get ready to immerse yourself into the local culture of Ghana as you enjoy a unique destination experience with the Kempinski touch. For more information, call the numbers you see on your screen. Aquava Flex promo.